Okay, hello and welcome to the next episode of Cyber Potato. And today I'm going to show you how you can create your own custom select in React. Let's go. So we have two column form, and currently we use only one column. In the second one, we can build a custom select. This is another component in pair with add photo that won't be used to connect to the API and send data there. We'll just do it basically for fun. Okay, so how to do just that? We will start by going to add idea page. Let's close others, and here I'm gonna say here lives custom select. Okay, and of course we need to create this custom select.tsx. Alright. So basically what we need is import React from React. This is the standard stuff. And now we'll do something cool. First, we'll define some options that you can use. We'll basically say that a user can add some kind of category to his idea, and we'll define just these. This will be motorization, or no, yeah. So moto and home and garden. Animals, garden, yep. Animals, electronics, fashion from Russian, and beauty, fashion and beauty. Okay, we got that one covered. Events and yeah, let's call it events. Culture and art. And entertainment. No. Entertainment. It's so hard. Oh yeah, okay. And let's add sport. And for whatever reason, let's add children. Okay. And this is it. Okay. Yeah, it's not a module. I know it's not. We lost this one. Sorry for that. Let's define our component. It's going to be custom select. Okay, it's going to be of type React FC. Actually, I think you don't need to specify that, but let's just do custom select. Okay, and we should return some JSX. First, we'll create our markup. Let's select opener. Sometimes it's a great festival. Sometimes it's not. Let's do a span here, and we will say add category. Okay, and here we will add an icon. Class is of course material icons. arrow left. Okay, and we will say if, well, how to do it actually? We need to know whether our whether our select is open or closed. So we'll need some kind of state. Use state is going to be is open. No, not like this. Is open. Open. Fuck's sake. Is open. Yeah. And this doesn't look good. Set is open. We'll start with false. And this has to be returned because this is JSX. Okay, and this has to be imported from React. This has to be imported from React. Thank you. And what else? What else? Yeah, we need actually to define the select opener. So this is going to be a div select opener start div. And that's great. Background color of, use color set. Let's use light pink. Let's import this. Okay, and color of the text is going to be color set main pink. Font size is going to be 18 pixels. Font weight is going to be bold. Nothing is boiling. Border radius is going to be 16 pixels. Max width is going to be this. Display, yeah, you guessed it, it's gonna be flex. Justify content is gonna be space around. Align items is going to be center. Cursor pointer, and position, what is very important here, is going to be relative. Okay, why is that? Well, we'd like our select to appear as a standard select, and to do that we have to change the natural flow of the HTML being rendered by a browser. And whenever you'd like to change the standard flow of rendering, because remember the standard flow of the rendering is going from left to right and from top to bottom, you need to assign position relative and position absolute to elements that should, for example, pop out in front. Okay, so this is what we'll actually do with select opener and with the option list. Okay, I will also show you how does it look without the position relative and the position absolute. Let's carry on. Hover will have background color with F9 CDCE. Okay, the icon inside should be color white, and this is arrow left. And do we have arrow down? Maybe, we'll see. If not, we can work our way around it. Okay, and span, will render all the options in the span, and I would like for them to start with the big letters. I can do this with text transform capitalize to change how the text is being rendered. Yeah, let's see what we have. Custom select is not defined. Yeah, that's fair. Okay. Okay, we have this, and it looks really bad. Okay, but let us carry on with that, and we'll fix it soon-ish. Okay, so this and this. On click, I would like to change the state. I can do it by changing set is open to negation of that. So if it's true, it will change to false. If it's false, it will change to true. So that's really pretty much standard thing. And if is open, we will render something. Like for now, it will be I'm open. Okay, and let's see if our switching works. Okay, so yeah, something is working. Okay, we can change the state of our whatever the hell that is right now. Okay, moving on. This doesn't look good, but we'll fix it soon enough. We will build an option list component. Okay, and this is actually gonna be pretty cool. So let's do just that, option list, and this is going to be styled unordered list with position absolute. Okay, and what is important here really is that the position absolute of the element is always referring to the closest position relative defined above. What I mean is that option list is a child of select opener. Okay, and if we move from bottom up, the closest position relative for the option list is the one defined at the position at the select opener. Sorry. So if the element has a position absolute specified and it won't find any position relative, it will place itself relatively to, I believe, the body or the window, the whole frame of the rendering. Okay, but we would like to position it relatively to the select opener. That's why we have position relative here and position absolute here. Okay, let's move on. 48 pixels, left 0, and these values are what we use to actually position the element in reference to its relative parent. Okay, so it's gonna be 48 pixels from the select opener and 0 pixels from the left. And these are, I believe, only two values that you have to specify. Basically, you have to specify down or bottom and left or right for it to work. Min width is this, then background color is color set main pink, color is white, margin is 0, padding inline start. We have to reset that because by default the UL has some padding added to it. List style none, text transform uppercase, max. Yeah, we will actually limit the max height because I would like to have the scroll on the right edge. Okay, and overflow, we can define a scroll. Okay, now inside of it, for each and single, let's just start by rendering it. Okay, and we'll see what we get. So we'll map the options, and we will say that li has a key of option, and here we should see the option. It's fine to define a key like that right here, because I know that these values are unique, but basically you should use some kind of ID received from the API here when building it with the data from the API. Okay, we have something, but it doesn't look so good to me. Let me check. Why is that? So this is this, and this is this, and we have display flags, but I believe what we're missing here is the flags direction of column. Am I correct? I believe I am. Okay, let's try that. Display flags. Yeah, it actually may have some sense. So let's do flags direction of column. Let's see what we have. Okay. Max width. Something is fucking. There's an arrow down here. We're missing something. And the thing that we're missing is this is an idea page, and this is inside of second column, and this is it now? No, it's not. It's between columns. Okay. Now it should work even without flex direction. Okay, a small bug here. Yeah, that's better, but still not perfect. Let me try again. Flex direction. Okay. It should be a column. Okay. Alright. Flex direction. Let's do the column here. Okay, still not perfect, but a little bit better. But we'll make it work. Okay. So let's actually make our select work for now. So I will need another piece of state to define the option that user have chosen, and this is gonna be selected option, set selected option. We'll use state, and we'll define the type here. It's gonna be string, because our options are string, or null, and we'll start with null. Okay, and now I can say something like this. Here, if we have a selected option, render it, else render add category. Okay, so now if I click or something, it doesn't really work. Why? Because we didn't add the handler here. So here, on click, we'll ask to set selected option of option naturally. Okay, and now it should kind of work. Okay, yeah, oh yeah, that's great. Okay, but let's work a little bit with styling here. So we'll add the border bottom of 1 pixel, solid, and color set light pink. Okay, font size will change to 12 pixels, margin 4 pixels, and margin top 8 pixels, and also on not here, on hover I would love to have background color set to background. Color set is going to be light pink. Okay, how does it look right now? Okay, a little bit better. Let me see what else are we missing here, because it's looking kind of good, but min width, oh yeah, we have a typo. So yeah, it's here. Okay, now it looks actually pretty good. So let me show you what happens if we disable the position relative and position absolute. So this position absolute, this is position relative. Okay, yeah, you can see that this is being rendered starting from here, and if I'll take this, it will find, I know what is really the positioning right now. And if we disable, yeah, actually we could do it without the position relative and position absolute. Yeah, because it's being taken out by it's being rendered by its parent. Okay, that's actually cool. Yeah, if we don't need that, we should definitely disable it. Let's disable this, and let's remove this. Okay, and now, yeah, still looking good. What we can do actually here is have this div. Yeah, there should be an icon, I assume, because we've rendered it. So something is still not 100% right. But we've been fighting with this long enough. We'll fix it in the next episode. And I'll see you there. See you.